guys, Decay here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I know this is very African, very Afrocentric. I collaborated with Deola Adebiyi of Omogebura blog. I've known her since 2014. We're both bloggers and YouTubers with natural hair. We've been planning to collaborate for a while, and then I saw that for the month of July she was doing 31 days of makeup, so a different look every day. So I was like, let's collaborate on one look, let's do a blue look. So yeah, this is what I came up with. I know the hair really gives me Yemi Alade vibes. It is my hair-giving hair clippings that I've been using in a lot of my videos. There'll be a tutorial on it. What do you think of the look? If you want to know how I achieved this look, keep watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also make sure you check out Deola's video on this blue tribal look. So I'm starting off with the Badescu facial spray, and then I'm going in with the simple kind to skin light moisturizer which has SPF 15, and I'm moisturizing my face this much because in my last Get Ready With Me for my baby dedication, the makeup artist said a moisturized face is crucial to a flawless face. I'm going in with the Hegai and Esther eyebrow pencil, brushing my brows in place. I know I need to shape them. I'm gonna do that this week because I have a shoot. I can't wait for you guys to see the pictures. Sometimes I use like a brow pomade or brow wax when I'm filling in my brows, but because I wasn't going out, I didn't bother doing that. I'm using the Kiko primer. I got it in February. It cost about £10 and it's really silicone-y. I like it because it's not overly thick, it's quite light, and a little goes a long way. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation to conceal my brows. I don't always use this. Sometimes I use my MAC concealer, sometimes I use my LA Girl, but it's what I felt like using. I'm also concealing the top of my brows. Yes. I'm using a shadow from the Urban Decay Heat Palette to serve as my transition color. It's such a gorgeous reddy orange. Blend and blend. This eye primer from Makeup Revolution is Bay. I got it sometime in February. I actually just spent like £35 on Makeup Revolution. Expect a whole video really soon. What eyeshadow primer do you use? NYX? Louise? So I'm using this palette from Zikel called Color Splash. I'm using this beautiful blue color called Glint. It's my first time using a Zikel product. I've been seeing them all over social media, and I went to their store on Admiralty Way to get this. It cost 3,000 naira. This is my first Colourful palette. I'm using the shade called Storm to add some dimension. And last week when I was going through Jenny Jenkins' channel, I saw that she had something really similar to this in the thumbnail of a video, and I was like, she's using Zikel. And then I realized that no, it was actually OPV's Rainbow Splash palette. This was my first time seeing the OPV Rainbow Splash palette. After doing more research, I realized that Zikel more or less copied the packaging type and color and the name and the font, and even like 8 of the shadow names in this Color Splash palette match the name in OPV's Rainbow Splash palette. Deep, right? I'm using the Zaron Gel Liner. I even saw something on social media last year. People were saying Zikel was copying Zaron, blah blah blah. I don't know the full gist, but I think Nigerians should just try and be creative. Like, you can get inspiration from other brands, but don't do an outright copy. Like, there are dupes that exist, but it's not the same packaging. Do you get? Anywho, this is the Ardell Splash Party Mascara, Dr. Lipp Tint, Strawberry, MAC Concealer to cover my dark spots. I could have color corrected, but yeah, don't mind my neighbor's doggo. Anyhow, I'm using the Zaron setting spray on my beauty blender and just blending out that concealer. And then I'm going in with some foundation. I mixed Fenty Beauty and MAC foundation to get my perfect shade. So it's Fenty Beauty in 420 and MAC in NC50. And I really like this Nourishing waterproof foundation. It's beautiful. Blend, blend, blend. So there's a tutorial on this hair look using hair-giving hair. It will go up on my channel either at the end of this week or sometime next week. So watch out for that. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. I'm using a beauty blender just to blend the foundation even more. And then this Sleek Contour Kit. Yes. I got a brush from my sister and I really like it. It's beautiful. And it's really like dense. MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep. And then this Benefit palette my cousins gave me for Christmas. I really like their blush. It's like subtle and cute. Makes my cheek rosy. Rimmel Jelly Highlighter in Poppin bottles. It's so like pigmented. Sometimes I actually use it before I put on foundation, so it just comes through subtly instead of like as intensely as it does. So I have to blend. I'm using the same shade glint that I used on my eyes for my lips because it's a blue tribal look. Honestly, I feel like this look even gives me filler vibes. Do you like it? Let me know. Remember, this is in collaboration with Deola Adebiyi. I will link to her own video above. I feel like doing collaborations with other YouTubers, like different looks, different colors of the rainbow, so red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, and violet. This is something you will watch. Leave a comment letting me know and I will hop right on it. But thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, share with your friends, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!